Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we demystify the world of investing and empower beginners to embark on their journey towards financial success. Investing can seem intimidating, much like stepping into uncharted territory. But fear not. Just as every great explorer starts with a map and a compass, we are here to provide you with the tools and knowledge to navigate the vast landscape of investing. In this video, we will cover the fundamental concepts and strategies that will set you on the path to becoming a savvy investor. So, before starting, please like and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Without wasting much, let's get straight into the video. Understanding the basics of investing. Investing is like learning how to ride a bike. Before you can confidently pedal down the road, you must first master the basic techniques of balance and coordination. Similarly, understanding the basics of investing is crucial. We will delve into concepts such as risk and return, diversification, and asset allocation. By grasping these fundamental principles, you will lay a solid foundation for your investment journey. Risk and return go hand in hand. We will explore the various types of risks associated with investing, such as market risk, inflation risk, and company-specific risk. Understanding the relationship between risk and potential return will help you make informed investment decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Diversification is the key to minimizing risk. Just as a well-balanced meal consists of different food groups, a diversified investment portfolio includes a mix of stocks, bonds, and other asset classes. We will guide you through the process of creating a diversified portfolio tailored to your investment objectives. Asset allocation is another critical aspect of investing. We will explain how to allocate your investment funds across different asset classes based on your risk profile and investment horizon. By striking the right balance between risk and potential reward, you can optimize your portfolio's performance. The difference between stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Investing is like choosing between different types of fruit at a grocery store. Just as you consider factors such as taste, nutritional value, and personal preference when selecting apples, bananas, or oranges, choosing between stocks, bonds, and mutual funds involves considering your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. We will dive into the world of stocks, where you become a partial owner of a company and participate in its growth. We will discuss the factors to consider when evaluating stocks, such as the company's financial health, growth prospects, and industry trends. Bonds, on the other hand, represent debt issued by governments or corporations. We will explore the characteristics of bonds, including their fixed interest payments and maturity dates. Understanding how bonds work will enable you to assess their suitability in your investment portfolio. Mutual funds offer a diversified approach to investing. These funds pool money from multiple investors to invest in a wide range of securities. We will explain the different types of mutual funds, including index funds, actively managed funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. By understanding the pros and cons of each, you can make informed decisions when selecting mutual funds. How to create a diversified investment portfolio. Investing is like having a well-balanced meal. Just as a balanced diet consists of a variety of food groups, a diversified investment portfolio combines different asset classes to reduce risk and enhance returns. We will discuss the importance of diversification and the benefits it brings to your investment strategy. By spreading your investments across various asset classes, industries, and geographical regions, you can cushion the impact of market volatility and increase the likelihood of positive returns. We will explore various asset classes, including stocks, bonds, real estate, and alternative investments. Understanding the characteristics and risk-return profiles of each asset class will help you construct a portfolio that aligns with your financial goals and risk appetite. Additionally, we will delve into portfolio rebalancing, a crucial aspect of maintaining a diversified portfolio. Regularly reviewing and adjusting your asset allocation ensures that your portfolio remains in line with your desired risk level and investment objectives. Investing in the stock market. Investing in the stock market is like planting a seed and watching it grow. Just as a small seed can flourish into a magnificent tree, investing in stocks can yield significant long-term growth through compounding interest and capital appreciation. We will guide you through the process of investing in individual stocks, from conducting research and analysis to making informed investment decisions. We will cover key metrics and indicators to consider, such as price to earnings ratio, earnings per share, and company fundamentals. Furthermore, we will explore the concept of dollar cost averaging, a strategy that involves investing a fixed amount regularly. This technique helps mitigate the impact of market fluctuations and allows you to take advantage of potential buying opportunities. We will also touch upon the importance of a long-term perspective and the dangers of emotional investing. By staying focused on your investment objectives and avoiding reactionary decisions based on short-term market movements, you can position yourself for success in the stock market. Setting investment goals and monitoring progress. Investing is like planning a road trip. Just as you map out your route, set milestones, and monitor your progress along the way, setting investment goals and tracking your performance is essential for success. We will guide you in defining your investment goals, whether they are short-term objectives like saving for a down payment on a house or long-term goals such as retirement planning. By establishing clear goals, you can align your investment strategy accordingly. We will explore various investment tools and platforms that can help you track and monitor your investments. From online portfolio trackers to investment apps, technology has made it easier than ever to stay on top of your investment performance and make informed decisions. Regularly reviewing your portfolio's performance and making necessary adjustments is crucial. By staying proactive and adaptive, you can optimize your investment strategy and navigate changing market conditions effectively. Congratulations! You have taken the first step towards becoming a confident investor. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into the world of investing. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos on investing and personal finance. With the right knowledge, discipline, and perseverance, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a brighter future. Happy investing!